How to log into S Bank online banking. So for that, you'll have to go to your preferred browser. So once you're in your browser, you'll have to search for S Bank and then go to the S Bank key website. That's from Finland. So wait till it loads. So it will load you to a page that would somewhat look like this. Here you can also translate the page. You can see by going towards the bottom right, you can see by scrolling down there's a translate. Now there will be written in English. The page is translated to English. Once it's translated, you can find a login option at the top right of your screen. Simply press on that login option, and then once you press on login, it will direct you towards the login page. So wait for some time because you might be in different region. It will take some time. So again, go ahead, translate here as well. Yeah, go ahead, translate, and then accept their cookies. Now here you need to get your identification number. You can send an identification request to S Mobile using your username. So you can check your forgotten username free of charge under the me section of the S Mobile. So it would be a 6 to 8 digit long number sequence, your username. Also, once you enter your username, simply press on the closing section. So once you do that, you can also get an option to log in with a key figure table. So you can also do it that way. So you can find it at the bottom section of your screen that's written with the key figure table. You can also log in using that key figure table. So that's how you pretty much log in S Bank. Hopefully this video helps. Thank